proud youth proved he could draw accurately from observation.
I can draw accurately from observation.
But it took a lot of time, and he found it very difficult to capture moving subjects. He bought a camera. It took less time and captured moving subjects beautifully. He copied the photo and beheld a drawing that looked a lot like the photo. Eventually, he discovered that processing a photo created a very impressive picture that looked a bit like what the camera saw, but with attractive blotch marks all over it.
I have created art.
His father objected.
Is this what you want to do to manifest your creative self? Push buttons on the computer, click the camera shutter, take countless hours to copy what's in front of you?
It's not exactly copying, and it can be quite beautiful.
His mother joined in.
I didn't raise my son to just copy things. Get your act together and do something original.
And so the child grudgingly got his act together, gave it a shot, and drew this, which pleased his parents even less. But at least he had moved beyond mere copying what he saw. Unfortunately, he didn't live long enough to reach his potential. But the spark of creativity was there, and your story may offer a more positive ending. The lesson, of course, is learn how to draw, not just copy. And always listen to your parents, unless they're wrong. In this case, they were right.
Let's try again.